Today, let's do a practice of mindful pausing. Before we go into it, I'd like to remind you of a very important question that the 13th century poet Rumi asks. Do you make regular visits to yourself? Do you make regular visits to yourself? These visits are pauses we take, even for a moment, to choose our response to whatever is happening around us. When we pause, we suddenly find resources to respond to any situation, to be more compassionate, kind, attentive. Even a short pause can make a huge difference in the way we engage with life. We learn to respond instead of reacting, and that alone is huge. So right now, let's make a short visit to ourselves and take a mindful pause together. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your breath, into the right here, right now. Allow your breath to be soft and easy, completely natural. Just feel yourself breathe in and out as a body. Check in with yourself. See where you're at right now. To find yourself in the present moment, it can help if you run through a series of questions to help you contact your mind, to help you become aware of what's happening in this very moment. So the first question is, what are you feeling right now? Can you contact what you're feeling? Maybe it's your mood or physical sensations, a quality of drowsiness or alertness or peacefulness, agitation, physical pain, anything. Can you contact that non-verbally? Just getting a felt sense of what's happening. Now let's refine this question a little bit. Are there any emotions? Can you be present to them non-verbally? So don't try to come up with a name for every experience or to remember the story behind the emotion. See if you can just be present to what you're feeling right now as a body. Are you experiencing any physical sensations right now? Pain, tightness, relaxation, spaciousness? What about your thoughts? What is the quality of your mind right now? Is it busy? Is it drowsy? Is it still? Are your thoughts raging or peaceful, obsessive or calm? Can you just let those thoughts pass through the open sky of your mind without getting attached to them? Hopefully these questions help you touch in and make deep contact with yourself without running through the stories in your mind, without trying to fix anything, simply being and knowing that just being is enough. That being you in any state, agitated or calm or peaceful, drowsy, is okay. Nothing is wrong. And for the next couple of minutes, I'll be completely silent, letting you contact whatever is there without any particular attachment. Do you feel the benefits of being present right now? What are they for you? Maybe you feel a little bit more spacious. Maybe you suddenly got an insight on some situation you've been in. Or maybe you don't see the benefits. That's fine too. Just be attentive to how this presents itself for you right now. And now gently let go of this practice and check in with yourself again. How are you feeling now? Physically, emotionally, mentally? How are you really? And I would like to complete our session today with a poem by Dana Folds. It's titled, Remember This. Vast and changeless, the ground of being is not rocked by ripples on the pond. The firmament from which we spring, the divinity at the heart of things, doesn't wax or wane with mind states, or wither in the wind. We come from stronger stuff than feelings. Essence does not fail or fade, diminish, or trade reality for illusion. We are wordless, wide, and wise beyond time. Within us is a flame of truth that never dies. Let that be the focal point of life. Let that be the light that guides us from the shadows. So as you go through your day today, remember that we all have this light that can guide us from the shadows. We just need to pause and make regular visits to ourselves to connect with this light. Enjoy this process. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.